Hey everyone, my name's Ed Perkins from ProsperPath, and today I'm going to give you a review of the One Funnel Away Challenge presented by ClickFunnels. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you some awesome bonuses for you, so stay tuned for that. And in this video, I'm going to show you the great stuff once you get signed up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. And after that, I'm going to log into my One Funnel Away membership profile and show you what it's about and help me be able to help you. But first, since you'll be using ClickFunnels for the challenge, you may be asking yourself what ClickFunnels is. So what ClickFunnels is, essentially, it's an online platform that helps businesses sell their products and services much easier and build any business, an online e-commerce, affiliate business, or brick and mortar business. So what the One Funnel Away Challenge is, it helps owners go from zero to profitable online business. And you can have a successful business to grow, or you can be a complete beginner with no idea where to start. The concept behind it is for everybody, is you're one funnel away from success, whatever your idea success is for that point. So I want to show you what you get when you order the One Funnel Away Challenge. So since there's two choices, you can either do the physical product or the digital download of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So, but here's what you're going to get with the get in the mail with the physical product. First of all, it's the 30day.com book. It's the book that shows how and what a millionaire would do if they ever lost everything and how to get it back to success within 30 days. It's basically a cookbook for success. What it does is, the premise behind it is you suddenly lose everything and you have 30. What would you do day 1 to 30 to save yourself? So basically what's in it is 30 Two Comma Club people, which Two Comma Club means they make $1 million a year, at least in their business. So what Russell Brunson did, who was the founder of ClickFunnels, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, did, he asked these people what they would do if they lost everything. So so they did an interview, and they each wrote a chapter in the book. It goes from day 1 to day 30, what they would do to get back to being successful. And it has different things in it, e-commerce, mid-range info products, a webinar, fundraising for nonprofits, packages, live events, Bible Success Blueprint. Now I'm personally an affiliate marketer, so that's what's attracted me. So I was interested in the chapter by Spencer Mecham with the affiliate marketing. So, and also in there is Stephen Larson, which is one of the instructors in the course. So I'll just show you what he has in here. He's on page 128. And there he is. So what it does is it just goes back day by day what their blueprint would be, each day what they would do. So all you need to do is find the business you're in or you're interested in and follow their steps day by day. He shows what do you do for day 1, day 2, and just kind of all you can do is copy them, because essentially they're starting from scratch. And when I scratch, I mean everything. They lose. They don't have any money. They don't have any resources. They lost their email list. They lost everything basically. So they have to start basically from scratch. They have a computer and maybe a cell phone, and that's it, and an online access. So so this book is extremely useful, especially for beginners who may have a slim budget. So, and this book is essentially the premise behind the challenge, and that's where everything came from. And now you have a OFA, the One Funnel Away from Success Challenge. So that's the first thing you see how big it is too. And I probably have Spencer Mecham's book marked, and I do right here what he would do. So, and that's the first thing you get. The next thing you get is the workbook. And this This is the workbook you use in the challenge. This is what helps keep you accountable and helps you brainstorm each day. So each day in the challenge is a 30-day challenge, essentially. And each day you're given an assignment, and you do the assignment in the workbook to complete it. So basically, it just helps keep you moving forward so you don't get stuck or procrastinate, which is a lot of people's weakness, everybody's, including mine. And the next thing you get is an MP3 player that's included. It has all the lessons included on it, so when you're on the go and you want to listen to a lesson, or you want to reinforce a lesson, you're not by your computer, you can just use this when you're out and about so you can listen to the lessons. So that's what you get in the basically, those are, you get other stuff, but those are the three big things you get in the mail. So basically you can be a complete beginner, not know anything about the internet entrepreneurship or online entrepreneurship, or you can be an experienced entrepreneur. And I think that this challenge can be a help to both parties. So wherever you're at in your path, I think this could be valuable for you, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So let me go ahead and hop on my computer right now. Okay.
All right, so here we are on my One Funnel Away dashboard, and I'll go through it for like someone who's a complete beginner and show what this challenge is. And this is the guy who started the One Funnel Away challenge and ClickFunnels. It's Russell Brunson. Basically, this is going to be a perfect challenge for you because you're going to learn from hugely successful people, seven-figure entrepreneurs. You'll be learning from Russell Brunson, Steve Larsen, Jim Edwards, and others, the best of the best in the internet entrepreneurship space, going from zero to profitable on a business within 30 days. So with the whole monthly passive recurring income through ClickFunnels affiliate program and in this program. So everyone is going to have their own reason for purchasing a course like this or the challenge, just like this one. But for me, I wanted to learn affiliate marketing, like I said earlier, and learn from those who've done it, like Steve Larsen, who's one of the instructors in the challenge. So let's take a sneak peek at the challenge now. Basically, the challenge is broken down into 1 week blocks. The first week is a bonus block. It's so to speak, since it's focused on mindset and belief. You have to believe in yourself and build your confidence and courage to step outside your comfort zone for this, or any type of improvement of yourself to work. So the first week is mindset, kind of a first week, and that's what it's about. The next week is discovering your offer and putting your offer together. It's actually week 1. So if you already have a product or service to sell, that's awesome, but you don't necessarily need to sell something. You can be an affiliate marketer for someone else's product. The second week is putting together the copy and the content of your offer and building the value of your offer. And the third week is where you start actually building your sales funnel. And if you're not sure about it, you can always sign up for the free trial at this point, so there'll be no more, not to minimize the expense involved while you're learning how to build a sales funnel, because they give you a 2-week free trial. And the last week is then getting sales to your offer, since having the greatest offer and the greatest funnel in the world is worthless until you find a way to bring people to it. And also included in it are some interviews, which are kind of adjuncts to the book. They give additional insight and instruction to this. So if you don't know where to start, there's plenty of people that you can learn from there. Okay, like this is Steve Larsen's video. And they just kind of give more insight in what they wrote into the book, and you just need to follow their game plan to ultimate success. Like I said, Russell Brunson is the founder and owner of ClickFunnels, and him and his team walk you through exactly what you do every single day, day to day, from day 1 to day 30, to build a profitable online business. And other thing is that I should mention is that you get access to a Facebook group where you get one-on-one access to instructors, and you can network with other entrepreneurs, so you can pick each other's brain and have some social support of like-minded people. And the live coaching is included here. And this is what blew me away. The instructors stayed until all your questions are answered, and that's for the whole month. There's just absolutely no way to get access to live coaching like this for a month for $100 anywhere in the world except here. And there's Jim Edwards training. I go to here. You got Jim Edwards training. You got Russell Brunson's training. You got Steve's coaching call. Let me go through some of the. Let me stop that and go through some of the bonuses that you'll be getting. And action. So that's basically the whole course in a nutshell. Just awesome things. The other thing I should mention is the affiliate boot camp and a brick and mortar summit. I did. Those are included. The traffic secrets is unlocked unless you upgrade. But the affiliate boot camp is for affiliate marketers, and it's a completely separate course. That I would recommend taking after the One Funnel Away Challenge. Otherwise, you might find yourself overloaded with too much to do. And if you get overloaded like that, you might feel yourself stuck and give up. But you got to take small bites. And One Funnel Away Challenge is enough to keep you completely busy for a month, believe me. Okay, so that's about it for that. Let me get out of that. Okay, now we're back. So let me tell you about the bonuses. We're at the end. So just click on the links below to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge through me, and you get access to the challenge. And I'm going to throw away these bonuses for you. The first bonus is the 7 Products in a Week book. This is for people who are looking for inspiration for products to sell online and create an awesome product you can sell so you can quickly profit on your online business and be able to achieve your financial goals and enjoy more freedom. Second is the your first website. It's for those beginners who are who need some guidance in setting up their first website, and it's a good little guide to give you some guidance in that direction. The third thing is the course summary written that I do, and what it does is just give you everything in the course in a summarized version, kind of a Cliff Notes thing of the version of the course, so it just helps you digest the information a little bit better and get you moving forward quicker. Then I added 3 more bonuses too. So the first one is an ebook called As a Man Thinketh. It's a great read that's been recommended by Tony Robbins. And it's for everyone, just to help everyone move forward in their life and in their success. The second is a home business legalities book that will help anyone starting a new business to accomplish and complete the necessary legal tasks, and just makes it a snap to get those done. And the last thing I offer is the Cash Flow Quadrant. It's a book by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a mind-blowing book on the difference between the mindset between employees and business owners and how to achieve that successful business owner mindset. So to get these great bonuses, just sign up using my link for the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I'll unlock those bonuses. So I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification button, give it a click, and stay in the loop. Also comment down below, and I look forward to see you in the future on the One Funnel Away Challenge.